I'm going to show you one more Alexa feature today that we think is very important. It is called Flash Briefing. People say that it's one of the best features that Alexa has to offer, and many people use it every day. Basically, this is the way for you to check today's news headlines, but you can also add other features to your Flash Briefing to customize it to your needs and interests. The way it works is that you'll say, "Alexa, play my Flash Briefing," and you'll hear things that you have programmed into your daily briefing. First, go to the menu bar at the top left corner of your home screen. Go down to Settings. Go to Flash Briefing and tap on that. And this is the screen you'll find. It says Flash Briefing, and you'll find here are two of the Flash Briefings that come native to the Amazon product Alexa app. And you will notice you'll have NPR News here, and you'll have today's weather forecast by Amazon. And on the right-hand side, you'll see they're kind of like switches, and you can turn them off. So you just press on the switch and turn to the left, and it turns it off, and you'll see how it moved down. But don't worry, you can just turn it right back on, and it pops back up. Also, you'll find a plus sign right there on the screen to the right-hand side, and you want to press on the plus sign, because here's where you can add to your Flash Briefing. This is where you will go and find and add other skills to your Flash Briefing list. Just like the Skills and Gains page of the Alexa app, you can read about each skill before you decide on using it and adding it to your Flash Briefing. Finally, if you go to the Edit area here, I'm going to go back, just the arrow button back, and there's a tab up here that says Edit. Just press on Edit. And you can change the order that the Flash Briefings are listed here. All you do is press on like NPR News and move it down like that. If you want to put it back up, you just press on it and move it up. And what that does is it'll actually be the order in which you hear your Flash Briefing when you open it in your Alexa.